Welcome to your new beachside escape, 107B, Palmetto Drive. This townhome is less than a block from the sandy beaches of South Padre Island. It's selling fully furnished, ready for you to move in and start living the island lifestyle. Whether you're hosting family and friends or just soaking up the tropical vibes, this spot has everything you need to relax and recharge. Let's take a look inside.
Hello, and welcome to 107B Palmetto. Let's go inside and have a look around. This townhome has a reverse floor plan, meaning that the main living area is on the second floor. So let's begin our tour there. The open concept living, dining, and kitchen area is a great place to entertain family and friends after a day at the beach. The dining area has seating for 8, and there's additional seating at the kitchen bar. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and plenty of cabinet and counter space. Now let's visit the south-facing back balcony that overlooks the pool. Down this hallway, we'll find the primary bedroom suite, a half bath, and the laundry room. Let's check it out. The primary bedroom features an ensuite bath, a huge walk-in closet, and access to the front balcony. This walk-in closet measures approximately 6 feet by 6 feet. Now let's return to the lower level, where we'll find 2 bedrooms, a full bath, the 2-car garage, a coffee bar, the patio, and the heated pool. This guest bedroom has a spacious closet and access to the ensuite shared bath. Just like the other downstairs bedroom, this bedroom also has a spacious closet, access to the ensuite shared bath, and also has access to the patio and pool. The lower level has an amazing amount of closet space. The downstairs bath has 2 entries, one from this bedroom and the other from this bedroom. There's no need to go up to the kitchen for a cold drink or a hot cup of coffee. The two-car garage is a great place not only for vehicles, but you can also use it to store your beach toys and fishing gear. And now let's visit what's sure to be everyone's favorite feature of this townhome, the heated pool and the covered patio. It's accessible from here in the downstairs bedroom or from the main entry door and through this gate.
That concludes our tour of 107B Palmetto Drive on South Padre Island. If you'd like to visit in person, contact your favorite local real estate agent.